Imagine waking up one day and seeing Bitcoin priced at $1 million. Sounds crazy? Well, some experts believe it's not a matter of if, but when. But how could this happen? And what should you know before it's too late? Stay tuned because I'm about to break it all down for you.
The blockchain in itself, the invention, is an enabler. It makes financial services a lot more efficient. You as a retail user, you as an institution can go directly through the exchange, online, set up and trade.
Bitcoin has already shocked the world by skyrocketing from just a few cents to tens of thousands of dollars. So why are analysts predicting $1 million next? Scarcity. Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins. Simple economics tells us when demand rises and supply stays fixed, prices surge. Institutional adoption. Big players like BlackRock, Tesla, and even governments are betting big on Bitcoin. As traditional finance jumps in, demand grows. Inflation hedge. With inflation threatening global economies, Bitcoin is increasingly seen as digital gold. So when could Bitcoin realistically hit $1 million? Experts point to the next Bitcoin halving event as a major catalyst. This event, which happens roughly every 4 years, reduces Bitcoin's mining rewards, slowing new supply. Historically, these events have triggered massive bull runs. The next halving? It's closer than you think. Now, before you rush to buy Bitcoin, you need to understand the risks. Volatility. Bitcoin is notorious for wild price swings. Are you prepared for the roller coaster? Regulation. As Bitcoin gains power, governments may crack down, impacting prices. Security. If you don't store your Bitcoin safely, you could lose it forever.
Bitcoin's price has surged to impressive highs, but with recent pullbacks and market volatility, is it still a smart investment? In this video, we're diving deep into Bitcoin's current outlook, its strengths, risks, and future price projections. By the end, you'll know whether Bitcoin deserves a spot in your portfolio for 2025 and beyond. Let's get started.
I think it is beginning to turn heads. If you look at the 3-year moving average, Bitcoin has gone up.
Bitcoin has come a long way from its early days as a niche digital currency. Fast forward to 2025, and Bitcoin is now widely recognized as a legitimate financial asset. Institutional adoption has played a massive role in this shift. Major firms like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Goldman Sachs have either introduced Bitcoin ETFs or actively provide crypto-related services.
Huge part of the global population have no access to banking. That freedom of money is only via crypto. To me, that is a best use case that I've seen.
Bitcoin's halving events are crucial to its price cycles. In April 2024, Bitcoin underwent its latest halving, reducing mining rewards from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC per block. Historically, Bitcoin halvings have preceded major bull runs. If this pattern holds true, Bitcoin could see significant price appreciation in the months ahead. This could make 2025 an exciting year for long-term investors.
And if you look at the top financial institutions in the world, everyone has a blockchain crypto agenda. Of course, towards the end of the year, you have a pro-crypto president, and that has changed the narrative.
Of course, Bitcoin isn't without risks. There are key concerns investors need to keep in mind. Regulatory uncertainty. Governments worldwide are still debating how to regulate crypto. Recent talks about a potential US crypto reserve created both excitement and uncertainty in the market. Market volatility. Bitcoin's price can be highly unpredictable. Large holders known as whales can influence prices dramatically, leading to sudden swings. Competition from CBDCs and altcoins. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and competitors like Ethereum and Solana are gaining traction. While Bitcoin remains dominant, it faces increasing pressure from emerging technologies. So, where could Bitcoin be heading in 2025? analysts have varying predictions. Bear case. In a worst-case scenario, Bitcoin could drop below $50,000 if regulatory crackdowns intensify or adoption slows down. Base case. Many experts predict Bitcoin could reach between $150,000 and $250,000 if adoption continues and the post-halving rally plays out. Bull case. In an extremely bullish scenario, Bitcoin could surge to $500,000 or even higher by 2030 if institutions and corporations continue accumulating BTC. Bitcoin isn't for everyone. Here's a quick guide to help you decide. Who should buy Bitcoin? Long-term investors who can handle volatility. Portfolio diversifiers seeking non-correlated assets. Tech and innovation believers who see Bitcoin as the future of money. Who should avoid Bitcoin? Short-term traders who can't handle wild price swings. Risk-averse investors who prefer stable returns. Over-leveraged traders who risk liquidation in volatile conditions. So is Bitcoin still a buy in 2025? For long-term investors who believe in its future, Bitcoin remains a compelling asset, especially if you can buy during price dips. But as always, never invest more than you can afford to lose. What do you think? Will Bitcoin reach $150,000, $500,000, or even higher? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on crypto and investing. See you in the next one.